ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಭೂತಾನ್ನ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಲೋಟೆ ಸೆರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಇಂದು ಭೂತಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಪೇ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಂತ 2 ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಎಎಂಇಎ ವಕ್ತಾರ ಅನುರಾಗ್ ಶ್ರೀವಾತ್ಸವ ಅವರು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂದಿನಿಂದ ಭೂತಾನ್ ರೂಪೇ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಂತ 2 ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಲಿದೆ. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಮೋದಿ ಭೂತಾನ್ ಭೇಟಿಯ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ರಧಾನಿಗಳು ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ರೂಪೇ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯೋಜನೆಯ 1ನೇ ಹಂತವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಇದೀಗ 2ನೇ ಹಂತ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಲು ಸಕಲ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಗಳು ನಡೆದಿವೆ.
This virtual ceremony for the joint launch of RuPay Card Phase 2 will be done by PM and Prime Minister of Bhutan, and it will be held on the 20th of November, as I mentioned. The two Prime Ministers had jointly launched Phase 1 of the project during the state visit of PM to Bhutan in August 2019. The implementation of Phase 1 of RuPay cards in Bhutan has enabled visitors from India to access ATMs and points of sale terminals across Bhutan. Phase 2 will now allow Bhutanese cardholders to access RuPay network in India. You would know India and Bhutan share a special partnership anchored in mutual understanding and respect, reinforced by a shared cultural heritage and strong people-to-people links. And lastly, an update on the Vande Bharat mission. Phase 8 of this mission, you would know, is operational from the 1st of November. And under this phase, as on date, 763 international flights have been operated from 24 countries, reaching 21 airports across India and repatriating an estimated 140,000 persons. This brings the total number of Indians repatriated as of date through different modes of the Vande Bharat mission to 30. The first is on the 15th G20 Leaders Summit. At the invitation of His Majesty the King of Saudi Arabia, PM will be attending the 15th G20 Summit chaired by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia under the theme Realizing the Opportunities of 21st Century for All. This summit will be on 21st and 22nd of November, and it will be held in a virtual format. The upcoming summit is the second G20 leaders meeting in 2020. You would recall that following the telephonic conversation between PM and the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, the last G20 Extraordinary Leaders Summit was held in March 2020, where the leaders developed a timely understanding among the G20 countries to help contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic and to forge a global coordinated response. The focus of the upcoming G20 summit being held amid the COVID-19 pandemic will be on an inclusive, resilient and sustainable recovery from the COVID-19. During the G20 summit, the leaders will discuss pandemic preparedness and the ways and means to restore jobs. The leaders will also share their vision for building an inclusive, sustainable and resilient future.